The biggest problems of our time call for collective action. But how do we make sense of complex problems and collectively decide and act as a diverse group or community? Can digital technology help us go beyond our differences and disagreement to come together as a more democratic and inclusive society? Or do they, as many often argue, only lead to further polarization and social division? In this lecture, I will discuss how we can create intuitive digital technologies to help people better discuss, build shared understanding, and find common ground to act even when they disagree. I shall illustrate the research that led to the emergence of 10 novel deliberation technologies that show enormous potential to promote unity, collaboration, and democratic action at scale. Not convinced? Come and join me to have your say.